This is going to be our 2023 Hyundai Elantra. It is going to come in this beautiful silver color. Has a really nice looking modern front end, LED running day headlights, as well as the LED headlights as well. Under the hood, you're going to have a 4-cylinder, which is going to be great on gas. It has just under 26,000 miles, so a ton of life left in this thing. Going to have some 16-inch wheels, blacked out, with some really well-equipped all-season tires, which are going to be perfect come the winter weather in winter months like we have right now. This is going to be a compact sedan, and you have a really nice body line that goes down the side of the vehicle. Coming to the back now, you have a backup camera, and to open the trunk back here, just press that button, and it'll pop open for you. Ton of space back here to fit basically whatever you want, groceries, bags, whatever. Can fit it all back here. Taking a step now into the interior, to the back seat. Nice black cloth seating all the way around with some WeatherTech floor mats, so you don't have to worry about getting your carpet all dirty if it's raining or snowing, anything like that. To the front seat, you are going to have the cloth seating up here as well. Bucket seat style to keep you snug while you're driving. You have this really nice steering wheel. Get a bunch of buttons on the steering wheel to set cruise control and make calls and change some of the settings on this dashboard. You're going to have a nice infotainment system. Going to have pretty much everything you want. Radio, Sirius XM, but also Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, all that, Android Auto. Climate control right down there, and some storage with your outlets. You're going to have different driving modes that you can access right here. If you are interested in this vehicle, please feel free to reach out anytime. Come on in, check it out for yourself, or give us a call.